are about to head to my new apartment. I get my keys today. So let's head out. I'm gonna give you guys a little apartment tour and show you guys where I'm gonna be moving to. And then this vlog is literally just gonna be a focused moving vlog. Hi. I'm in my new apartment and it's kind of freaking me out, I'm not gonna lie. I've moved so much, and honestly, this is my 5th time moving in like 2 or 3 years. And it's been a lot. It's been a lot. But I really liked this place. So I know like right now it obviously doesn't feel like home. It feels unfamiliar. Change is really hard, but I know I'll look back at this and be grateful for this decision, but right now I feel really freaked out. Something I'm definitely excited for. I've been wanting like a fridge like this for so long, like a big fridge instead of a bottom top fridge, you know? Let's open up the gift they gave me. And this was on my counter, so let's see. I can't show you that because it's, I actually have no idea what this is, but it's like a cloth thing. A bowl for Azalea. Like an on-the-go one. Cute. Bag fire hydrant thing. It's kind of funny. Like a on-the-go warm mug, which I don't have any like warm things, but I've been actually like thinking about the fact that I need to get one so I can have like my chai latte. An eye mask, like a satin eye mask, which these are like very interesting gifts for like that apartment complex, but slay. I have a backlit mirror. Oh my gosh. Wait, what the heck? The mirror's literally like, I do a whole walkthrough, but I'm writing that down because why is it already broken? No one's ever lived here. It just like opened pretty recently. That's bizarre. Been a couple of days since we chatted last. Why am I covered in like cobwebs and stuff? It's fine. Packing has started for real. So my place right now is an absolute disaster. I haven't even unpacked from my trip going to Dallas this past weekend. And now we're packing my apartment to move. I have my box right here for the stuff in my... This thing's gonna be heavy, isn't it? Oh boy. This is the stuff from my vanity, from my bathroom. Hello? Products. Lots of products and stuff. So she getting a little heavy. I think I might need to like re-strategize. Lighter stuff in the bottom. This has just been honestly like a lot, and I need to get it done because we are going to be moving like literally next week. It is Thursday, December 18th right now. I'm trying to move by like the 22nd or the 23rd. Excuse me? Yeah. So I'm just starting to pack right now. Literally going to pack like I'm like going on a trip for what I do need here. while I'm still living in here, and then everything else I'm gonna pack to actually move. I think that's the best way to do it right now. Time to pack her up. So, moment of silence. I know someday I'm gonna have my closet like this again, but at this new apartment, I'm not gonna have space to do this whole thing. So that's why I wanted to reorganize it like this. Honestly, I just did this like a couple months ago just to like take advantage while I had it. So I'm going to be packing up all of my leggings, and then I think I'm going to do something for my shorts because you'll see the organization in my new closet, but the leggings are not going to be able to be out. So I'm so sad, but look how gorgeous she is. Beautiful. The update, everything's cleared out. Miss Ellie is confused. But look, all the boxes. It's full packing mode. Literally, my whole kitchen is empty. Except for like literally just right here. Like what you see is what you get. The only thing really is my room, which I don't really know. I mean, I don't know. It's kind of just random stuff. And then my closet, obviously, but ow. That's gonna be a bunch of like trash bags and stuff. So this is what it's gonna like show in my next closet. And it's gonna be above a dresser. I need to find the right size dresser. It's gonna be kind of hard with the actual size that I have. Like I haven't been able to find a dresser that's gonna be good. So we'll see. My leggings, as I showed you guys, I packed them in here. And then we have my straight legs because I want those hung. But we're gonna have to figure this out because my new closet is much different than this. Good morning, it is officially moving day. They just pulled up with the truck. Everything pretty much is packed. So weird. I feel like I don't even know, disorienting. But we are going to pack everything up and move into the new spot today. And I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm gonna try my best to do some more vlogging today. My past moving vlogs, I feel like I didn't really get the actual moving a lot because, you know, moving is kind of a lot with carrying things. But I'm gonna try to make sure I get more today. And then we're gonna settle in together. So this is definitely like an episode 1 of like the moving diaries because, you know, we have to like organize and decorate and all those things. So I will talk to you guys soon. We have officially put my bed in the bags. This is the room. Hey little one. Hi little one.
Guys, we are moving. We are helping Lindsay. She is leading this place. So grateful to be helping and we're gonna get to it.
So here is a little update. Hi, little one. I filled with what I do have right now. I put it in my fridge and my freezer. My freezer, this is everything that was from my freezer. That's kind of crazy. Look how I organized it though. I have my ground beef, salmon, chicken. There's some more chicken over here, and ahi tuna and shrimp, and then hash browns and my vegetables down here. So yeah, we have lots of space to work with, which this is one of my favorite things in this apartment is this fridge. I have been wanting a fridge like this forever. Slay. Forgot the lights over here, which is really awkward, but about to get this bathroom together. Have some boxes right now. I'm gonna have to figure out the organization system in here because I just have those 2 little shelves, but I have more products than that, I think. So we're gonna have to figure that out. And yeah, so all of that stuff. It's gonna be a process. But right now, we're just gonna focus on the bathroom, and then after I shower, then we'll focus on the bedroom. Literally all of my toiletries are put away, except for I can't find my shower stuff. So this is what I'm gonna be showering with tonight. Just my African net sponge, face wash, and this bar of soap. Which, oh my gosh, very moving. I am so tired though, and I feel like I look a whole mess. I'm excited to get my sheets on my bed and get in bed and just relax for the rest of the night and put away the stuff on my nightstand, but mostly just relax. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow when we get back to unpacking and getting things together. As follows. What? 10 donkeys loaded with. Why is this so tall? And then this one's so guys, I'm sorry. What? And this is me reaching as far as I can. I can't even put anything here that I actually need because I can't really reach it. Made so much progress thanks to my mom. But here's all of our boxes that we took stuff out of. So all my cabinets are full. Look how cute. And they actually came and lowered them too. So yay. Literally I have this so organized. This is my daily supplements. Just pulled it out. And then this and everything. And then over here, my coffee. And then up here is cute. Look, I have my little matcha coffee set up, my glasses, etc. My food, more food, spices, lids. Everything's all organized. Yay! This is beef Wellington. It's our Christmas tradition. I can't pick it up. Hello? Come here. Camera, eat first. Merry Christmas.